This is a quick unboxing of MacBook Neo, one of the more intriguing Apple products in recent years. This is color citrus. Here we go. We have a hello on the tab. So let's see what else is in the box. Designed by Apple, California. Now this is the configuration with Touch ID. We do have a USB-C charge cable. And we have the, let's see how long. USB-C power adapter. My first impression of this is the color. I think online it may come across as more of a yellow shade, but I would say this definitely has that definitely more of a green. Citrus feels about right.